Thermostat wires should never be crammed tightly together inside the control space because that's how shorts and connection problems sneak in. Okay, so when you're dealing with thermostat wiring for your heating and air conditioning system, you want to make sure the wires have a little breathing room. Don't just bundle them up all tight like a messy ball of string. Instead, separate the wires slightly so air can flow around them. This helps keep things cool and reduces the chance of overheating or electrical shorts. It's not about making a huge gap, just enough so they're not squished together. Also, avoid bending the wires sharply or compressing them under screws or panels because that can damage the insulation and create problems down the line. If you need to secure the wires, use clips or ties that hold them gently without squeezing. Keeping the wiring neat but relaxed inside the control space will help your thermostat and HVAC system run smoothly for longer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat wiring is bundling all the wires tightly, which increases the risk of shorts or signal interference. To fix that, just spread the wires apart a bit before securing them so they're not touching all over each other. Another common issue is crushing wires under screws or panels during installation like Dacian, end of 22.com, that can mess up the insulation and cause faults, so always double check that nothing is pinched. Lastly, ignoring airflow inside the control space can cause heat buildup around the wires, leading to malfunctions. Leaving some space between wires helps air circulate and keeps things cool. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool spot that helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors for heating and air conditioning jobs. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people who need their skills and get more work.